English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. I'm Feifei.
And hello, I'm Rob. Feifei, why were you in the cafe with the boss earlier?
Was I?
Come on, I saw you having lunch with the boss. Nobody ever has lunch with him.
OK, I admit it. I was having lunch with the boss. What's wrong with that?
Well, we all know there's a promotion in the department on offer, and you are obviously trying to curry favour with the boss so that you get the job. Honestly.
Hold on. I can assure you I was not having curry with the boss. It was just a sandwich.
Feifei, if you curry favour with someone, you are not eating curry. It means you're trying to get someone, the boss, to like you or even give you something like a promotion.
I was not. But I like the expression.
OK, well, let's hear some examples of people currying favour with someone else.
I know what you're up to. You're trying to curry favour with the manager by telling her what a great job she's doing.
The company tried to curry favour with its employees by giving them all a pay rise.
He's trying to get free tickets to the gig by currying favour with the tour manager. It won't work.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the phrase to curry favour with someone, which means to try and get someone to like you or give you something.
Another way of saying it is you're trying to keep in with someone.
It's all a bit false, Rob. Trying to make someone like you, which is why I was not trying to curry favour with the boss.
You won't get that promotion anyway.
We were actually talking about you.
Oh, yes.
He wanted my advice on whether he should give the promotion to you.
To me? Well, come on then, what did he say?
You'll need to curry favour with me if you want to know that.
How about dinner? I know a nice little curry house just round the corner.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.